Here I have HUAWEI P Smart, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you need to find and select the settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose System. From the following list, let's simply choose Language and Input and select Language from the top of the screen. As you can see, I'm using right now the English version from the United States. But if you would like to, you can add some other language. Let's choose Add Language button right here. Here you should find the full list of available languages. So let me just show you how to change your language from English to Spanish. So let's find and select the Espanol right here. Let's choose your region. In my case, it could be the España. And now you've got the Espanol on the following language preferences. Let's place this language into the first position. And right now, all device is in Spanish. You can go back and as you can see the whole list of settings and also applications are in Spanish. So everything went well. If you would like to go back, let's find and select the ajustes right here. Scroll down, choose Sistema. Tap here Idioma y Introducción de Texto. Select Idioma and right now let's place English into the first position. That's it. Right now you can use the English version of your device, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.